Today's Friday the 13th, before the storm.
We'll go to him in just a minute. This looks really suspect over here. This particular quadrant of this storm on the northern fringe of this area, right into. We're also going to get a lot of straight lines.
This isn't it. This is just a storm.
Peter Van, that's all that is.
Intensify, and we're watching these cells as they work their way. Hurricanes, warning, Hurricane Charley. There it is. You heard it here several hours ago. This storm is expected to move right through the heart of downtown Orlando around sunset tonight. So you need to go ahead and get on top of it with continuing coverage. Right now, I want to take it back over to the news desk.
All right, thanks a lot, Joe. And boy, we're learning an awful lot more about how to read Doppler radar than we ever expected to, that's for sure. Tom and Joe and the whole other gang over there doing a terrific
Sunday, Matagorda, right in that area. Look at this radar image. The eye is very small, only a 6-mile wide eye. The hurricane hunters are out there, flew into it and found a 943 millibar low pressure center. So it's still deepening as it comes into the coastline. Poorly constructed structures will be completely blown away in that small core of strong winds. Fortunately, this is a relatively small hurricane, but once it hits the coast, oftentimes what we see with these things is they expand and become larger.
Very intense activity just offshore of Daytona Beach. We're looking live, a good deal of lightning. Again, talking about gusty winds, that line of flat pictures of Melbourne on the screen as well. We talked to Patrick Terpster in Brevard County. He was down in Indy Atlantic seeing very strong winds.
Some of these bullseyes you see 100 miles an hour, actually probably some isolated tornadoes, these little suction vortices as we call them. The wind spouts that develop right around the eye of the storm.
Charley is not worth messing around with. This is still a serious storm.
Absolutely, and what Dave showed us just a moment ago with the lightning, there are just lightning strokes all over the place. David Daniel did this a live shot from Daytona Beach just a little while ago, and as he was standing there, a huge lightning strike, and of course he went to take safe shelter.
I'm afraid we're just starting to see right now as the storm hits our area. Take cover, be careful, be smart. We try to bring you the latest information on what's happening.
Gonna make it?
Today, and we have the crews here listening and bringing it right to you as soon as we get it.
Nancy Alvarez in downtown Orlando, Church Street.
Chris Strickland live, who's at Orange County.
Kissimmee area is getting it as hard as they have yet in Kissimmee. They were expecting the hurricane force winds to hit about 820 anyway, and this is the worst of it they're getting right now. In terms of Orlando, where we're trying to get in touch with David Martin.
That's another transformer. There goes another one.
Power out.
You hear that?
What's that?
Probably a roof to a shed. Ooh, you hear that?
Yeah. What is that?
That's serious wind is what it is. Right over there.
Yeah. I'm getting it.
All right, thanks a lot. I'm sure we're going to have lots of scattered power outages, and it will probably get worse.
Well, there goes the power. Oh, man.
No power.
That was right out here.
I know.
That was wires landing on something.
Uh-oh.
Man, listen to that.
Yeah, I know. I'm scared now. This ain't funny anymore.
Listen to that. You hear the trees?
Yeah. Oh my God.
Whoa!
Oh my God.
It's right over the house. What it is.
Oh.
Oh,
Oh
God.
my God.
Oh, my God. Look
What
at
if they
that.
have a fire? Oh my God, it's a fire.
That's
See the
huge.
fire?
You didn't believe it.
They need to get out of that house. Hello? Emergency.
Holy shit. Things really calmed down. I'm not sure whether it's the eye or it's just dying out quick. Here's the pool. Here's the rain gauge. Over 4 inches of rain today. All kinds of branches down here. I'm sure we'll see a lot more tomorrow.
We were receiving 600 911 calls per minute.
Did you survive?
Yeah, hell yeah. Get over here, right? You. I wanted my car to be totaled. Let's break it. I wanted a new car. Darn it. What's that?
Shingles. That was all from that house over there.
So you can drive. Yeah, come on. Let's go have a cup of coffee. I'm serious. I want a new car. How can we damage my car? Look at your old house.
Cedar fence came down there.
Wow. Oh shit, I wonder if my fence fell.
Whoa, they lost some big trees over there.
Yeah, look at that.
Make coffee at Don's Cafe.
Nails out of little folders, whatever they've got, they'll do on you. Same thing with photographic negatives. If you have negatives, you got damage. That's right. Hang it up, let it air dry that way. What do you need here today?
Actually, I had a comment you had mentioned earlier about the Tuesday. Is that correct? I don't know the timing of that. Okay, but you're expecting
Look at
to show
this.
up here. Is there
Look at that. Look. God, you missed that big.
Federal funding, do you think might be available here down the road? Well, we anticipate that we will get reimbursement from FEMA for
Side got
all the
bad.
expenses that are going to be incurred in the overtime expended last night.
Look at this.
And the cleanup efforts that began at 12 o'clock last night will be
I think
ongoing.
that hit. Look at that tree over there.
Look at this, Don.
This neighborhood, oh my God.
Again, I'd like to emphasize how proud I am of the Orlando residents and how they responded last night. Everybody needed the advice.
I don't know if I want to go see my house.
During the storm.
You have to.
Be there.
So if something ain't right, you gotta call
Yeah.
insurance. Look at this Rolls Royce up there.
Look at that tree uprooted.
Damn.
Oh wow, that ripped that pool screen completely to shreds. And I want to be in there.
see when we get there, babe. Man.
I think it's gonna get that one up there.
It's 4 up.
Oh, look at that. Look at the grass. Oh my God, I never seen anything like that.
Oh God, it's 25 cents a piece.
Oh, that's in the hole.
Oh, man.
Oh my God, these ends. It must have come right down the street.
Yeah, this is where the eye came through, I'll bet.
Look at this. Oh. You think they had a tornado here? Look at, they're all uprooted. It's weird. Oh my God, here's another one. Look at this. Oh, look on that roof. Oh. Yikes. I'm glad we came, but I'm not. Me? That's me.
Marcy's house right there.
Mine? The fence?
Yeah, I think so.
Well, we'll get a new porch. What about the fireplace?
The fireplace, I think it's good.
This is her backyard. This is the day after Hurricane Charley. Mm.
Well, I don't know. I mean, it said on the news to get people
A lot of people call right now.
Yeah, everything's gonna be crazy.
Right? So just the porch was destroyed.
Yeah, when we go inside, you can see what happened.
Okay. I'm
The
sorry.
porch.
I mean, I feel sorry for you. That's what I kept telling him. So yesterday, I was like, oh my God.
You were here when the
Oh, yeah.
fell?
Uh-huh.
Did you see
No,
all
we
that?
were inside.
Oh,
We just heard the noise when we went at the window. We were looking and we're like, oh.
But we saw everything.
Yeah.
One didn't.
You can see all these trees that came down. There's your neighbor's tree. It's definitely far worse on this side of town. Tree against the pickup truck down there.
It's like a tornado came through there.
If you go to another street, my sister-in-law,
Yeah.
this is almost double.
Uh-huh. It's so bright here because it used to be that tree and now there's no
Yep.
tree.
Well, we need to get the stress off the roof.
Look at that roof.
Yep. Yep. Real bad.
Wow.
Look at down your street there.
Can't even get through.
And this is the rest of her neighborhood.
Yeah, a lot worse.
Yeah, it's bad.
That's her house back there.
Yeah.
No. One of those deals where it'll take hours. So this is Saturday afternoon. I'm heading back to Marcy's house to cut out all those trees. And it looks like we have more weather on the way here. This is heading down Conway, heading south. And it looks like a big old storm front over there. So, let's see what kind of trouble we can find now. This is Michigan Ave, heading east. This is after the storm. This is the day after the storm. This is just another thunderstorm coming through.